Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cat Scratch Kitchen for our final video in this series of recipes celebrating Asian American Pacific Islander Month. As Memorial Day approaches, we're bringing a taste of the islands to your table with a classic side dish that's sure to be a hit at any gathering. Today we're whipping up a Copycat L&L Hawaiian barbecue macaroni salad, the perfect creamy complement to your holiday feast. So let's get started and add a little aloha spirit to your Memorial Day celebration. Okay, I have 1 pound of macaroni that's been cooked according to the directions on the package and then drained well. It's still hot, and while it's still hot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar and just sprinkle it over the top. Now, I don't know about you, but when I was growing up and in my adult life as well, if you had macaroni salad, it meant summer was here. And so that's always what it means to me, and Memorial Day just seems like the beginning of summer. So it's a perfect time for this. Now I'm just going to stir through that apple cider vinegar. And I have 2 carrots that have been shredded, and I'm going to add those as well while it's hot. You can also add about 1/4 cup of shredded or minced onion if you like. I don't particularly care for the onion, so I left it out. It's definitely optional. And we're just going to stir that through as well. Now we're going to set it in the fridge for about 15 minutes to cool, but while it's cooling, we'll go ahead and mix up the dressing. Okay, now in a separate bowl, our dressing starts with 2½ cups of mayonnaise. They say that Best Foods is required. Unfortunately, it's not available where I live, so I'm using the best mayonnaise that we have here. 1/4 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Nothing magical here, just a good combination of ingredients to make it taste good. Now it's all combined and smooth, and our time is up for our macaroni. It should be cooled. We'll get it out of the fridge and we'll put it all together. Okay, now our macaroni is cooled. We're going to take our dressing that we made and just pour it on top. We're going to stir it through until all the macaroni is coated. Now we're just going to add salt and pepper just to taste. And take some plastic wrap and cover it. And you're going to refrigerate it for 4 hours at least. Even better if you can make it the day before and let it refrigerate overnight. Then you're ready to serve it. When you start to stir it up, if it seems a little bit dry, go ahead and add a little bit of milk, but no more than 2 tablespoons. Just enough to moisten it. And there you go. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed creating the luscious L&L Hawaiian barbecue macaroni salad. And as we wrap up, I hope that this dish adds a touch of island charm to your Memorial Day gatherings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive flavors. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have fun in the kitchen.